What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol MSFT for Microsoft Corp. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We talk about the stock regularly here on the channel. Main thing to point out is that we did break the resistance trend line that was giving us the descending triangle pattern in here, and we got bullish price acceptance higher on today's session. Now, we did not take out that 311 from the daily time frame. However, I do think we're poised in a situation where the breakout would seem to be more likely than a complete rollover. Let's discuss why on the 30-minute time frame. Oops, let's zoom in here. So trying that one more time. There we go. The reason why I suggest that is because the sellers had their chance in here, and at first they did have some serious momentum, right? There was a little bit of a pop on the gap up, sure, but then from there, as they start selling aggressively lower, notice that they were not even able to fill the gap underneath us. So to me, that's a sign of a weak seller. If they were stronger, they should have technically closed the gap, right? There's very little structure in there. It shouldn't have been an issue, but the buyers either stepped in and responded at a rate where they couldn't overwhelm. So the buyers take it higher and close closer to the highs of the day, indicating a failed move from the sellers. If those people are going to fold, I imagine it's a stop up and over the high of day. So if we go hunting for those stops, I think it's added buying pressure that could easily take us to that 318 target that we've been discussing over the past couple of sessions here. It's also, as we go sideways through time, going to start coinciding with that daily 50 SMA, the blue line on our chart there. So that's my reasoning and thinking for the potential for upside. Obviously, the break of the resistance trend line is a big tell as well. Just the fact that we're not in the short-term downtrend anymore. Instead, we have higher lows. And now the question is, can we produce a new higher high up and over today's sets around 311? Again, maybe 318 becomes the target here. So that's what I'm thinking about inside of Microsoft. That's why I think we can go higher. Of course, to the downside, if it does roll over, it's all about the gap underneath us now. So anything under 307.45 roughly fills down to the prior high of day at 305.50s. So, about a $2 move, definitely something worth trading for on an intraday scalp basis if we roll over and the broader marketplace is feeling some pain. But I just don't see it as being a likely scenario as of right now for all of the reasons we've discussed so far. That's really going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it today or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.